In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the parking brake shoes on this BMW X5. These are going to be located behind the rear rotors. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before you take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel, pull it off. I'm going to take the brake pad sensor out. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just grab the sensor. You want to pull that out. There is the spring retainer. So you might want to grab that with the pliers as well. You can push that back on there. You can pop this bleeder screw cap off. Just to pull the wire to the side. We're going to take this clip off. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers right here, and then a trim tool. Just pry this back, pull the clip off. Just pull it out. Now we're going to take these caps off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop these off. Right there and there. Just use a 11mm wrench. We're just going to crack the bleeder screw free. And then just snug it up just enough so it's not leaking. Now using a 7mm hex socket, I'm going to take the caliper bolts out. Take the pin out. We'll do the same on the bottom one. And pull that one out. Now grab the caliper. You might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Pull that off. You can take the brake pads out. Take those out of the caliper. And use a brake caliper hanger and just hang this out of the way. Hang it right there, that's good. Using a E18 socket, we're going to take these bolts out for the caliper bracket. Pull that out, slide the bracket off. Take this screw out, use a 6mm hex socket. Pop that out. Now pull the rotor off. If it's stuck on there, you want to just tap it with a hammer. Loosen that up. And pull it off. We're going to take these retainer springs out. I'm just going to use a hex key. This is a 5mm. Just push in, twist to the left. You pull the pin out with the spring. And then you want to go down below, do the same on the bottom one. You can twist it to the right or the left, just 90 degrees, and that comes out. Now we're going to take the adjuster out. I'm just going to use a couple pry bars. Just pry the shoes apart. When you're prying it apart, you can pull the adjuster out. Just like that. Then you can take the spring out. Once the adjuster's out, it should be loose enough. Just grab the spring, pull that out. Now there's a spring on the front next to the lever. I'm just going to rotate the shoe to try to pull the spring and the shoes off the lever, and then it comes out with the spring. You can take the spring off the shoes. Take the new shoes. We're going to put the spring through just like we took them off, and then get the lever lined up. Oh, the lever popped off, and that's okay. We're going to take the lever, line that up on the shoes. Just like that. Go around the hub. And then you just want to push it onto the cable. You can see where the cable is, right in the center there. And with a straight blade screwdriver, you just want to push, so it's going to kind of spread the pad apart a little bit. Actually, you can get right here. And once you push that down, the pin's going to line up, and that'll be all set. So the cable's attached now. Now the contact points on the backing plate, you just want to take a wire brush, clean these up a little bit, where the shoes are going to rest on the backing plates. It's good. Put a thin coat of grease just on those spots. This is brake caliper grease. Now we're going to put one of the spring retainers on. We're going to go with the bottom one. Get that lined up. Might have to move the pad around a little bit, or the shoe around. There you go. And twist it 90 degrees. Now that's on. Now we're not going to put the top one on yet. I want to put the adjuster in. Now you want to take the adjuster. You can take it apart and clean it up if there's any rust on it. You can put some anti-seize on it just so it doesn't seize up. Loosen up the threads, clean that up with a wire brush. Put a little anti-seize there, that's good. Now before we put that on, just take the spring. I'm going to put the spring on the bottom one first, then through the top. I'm just going to use a pry bar. Hold the top, and then we'll slide this in place. And you can pry this up. Just watch your fingers. Just try to get it in there. There we go. It's lined up. Just gotta push that in a little. I'm just gonna tap this in. There we go. It's lined up over there. Now take the retainer spring, get this lined up, and twist it. Give it a wiggle. That's good. Take a wire brush, clean up the hub surface. I'm just going to take a thin coat of anti-seize and put it on the hub surface. This is going to prevent corrosion or slow down the corrosion in the future. Take the rotor, you want to spray the back side down with some brake parts cleaner. And the inside, just wipe it down with a rag. And spin it over. And do the same on this side. Wipe it down with a rag. Take the rotor. Just go over the parking brake shoes, spin it. You want it just slightly touching, so you can move the adjuster, tighten it up a little bit if it's not quite tight enough. Right, that might be too tight. Just gonna pull that off. Just loosen up one turn. That feels good. And take the screw, get that lined up, snug that down. Take the brake caliper bracket and a wire brush, just clean the area where the brake pads are gonna go. Just try to get as much of that rust off as possible. All right, that looks good. Take the brake caliper pins, you wanna clean these up. Use a little brake parts cleaner and a rag, just wipe them down. All right, those look pretty good. If they're in bad shape, you want to use a wire brush. Just clean up any corrosion or buildup of anything. That's good. Take a little silicone paste, nice thin coat, or brake caliper grease. That's good. Do the same on the other one. All right, that's good. Take the bracket. We're gonna go over the brake rotor. Take the bolts, get those started. Tighten those down. Torque these bolts to 81 foot-pounds. Take the brake caliper hanger off. Take the brake pad with the clip on it. It's going to go inside the piston. And the other brake pad, slide that over there, over the bracket. And slide the caliper over the bracket as well. Take the caliper pins, get those started. And tighten those down. Snug those down. And tighten these down to 22 foot-pounds. That's good. Snug down the bleeder screw. That's good. You can clean up any mess with a little brake parts cleaner. That's good. Take this spring, get this lined up. And I'm just going to use a pry bar and just pry this in place. And just push it, make sure it's in the right position. That looks good. Take the caps, push those in place. Take the wire, go through the brake bleeder cap, and re-secure that. And take the sensor, and you want to push it right onto the brake pad itself. And that's all the way down. That's good. Now put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Get the bolt started. And get the other bolt started. Now snug these down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.